closer, don't quiver, my little Red Riding Hood. Come closer, don't shiver, said the bad wolf to Riding Hood. Oh grandma, I don't like that look that's in your eyes. Pray tell me, are you the big bad wolf in disguise? Oh yes, oh yes, I'm the big bad wolf, oh yes. I am here to get you, to love you and caress you. That's what I've been waiting years to do. So come closer, don't quiver, your fate is in my hands. Come closer, don't shiver, you are the fairest in the land. Oh Mr. Wolf, if this is true, I've been waiting my whole life for you. My heart's in a flurry, kiss me in a hurry, put your arms around me and hold me tight. Well, that's how the tale ended, though not in books that way. We lived it, we loved it, who cares what books will say? Come closer, baby.